everyone, it's Suna from Perfect Homes, and today I will show you this beautiful house in Namphrae Villa Park. The total space of this house is 288 square wa, 166 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 office, and 2 indoor parking space, and also a big storage room. Now let's go inside the house. And now we are inside the house. I would like to show you this first room right here is the office room. Right here you can decorate as you wish since this house is unfurnished. So you can add furnitures, art decorations, or anything as you like. What style would you like to have for this house? Please let me know in the comment below, and please keep watching until the end. Here is the door which is connected to the garden. Every room has its own door where you can walk outside to the garden. Also, this house comes with fiberglass, so it's really good with the heat. Keep the house cool and nice. And now I'll show you the first bathroom. This is the first bathroom. Right here is the sink. Here's a big space where you can put all the soaps. Here's the sink, really cute sink. I love it, and the style also. Next is this gorgeous spacious space where you can turn it into living room right here. Add some TV, furniture, decoration, and also you have compressor air where your house will be always cool. Right here is the dining area. You can put tables and chairs. You have many windows and doors which is connected to the garden outside. Right here is the granite. Wow, beautiful. And it's really strong too for cooking. Here is the kitchen. You have soft closing shelves. You see? Right here is the sink. Very beautiful right here. Also, this house comes with the special heat system where you have both cold and hot water in your own house. Right here is the electronic stove, induction fan, oven, and microwave. Next, I'd like to show you the master bedroom. The master bedroom, once you walk in, you have this big space of closet. Wow, all you can put in there. Right here is the bathroom. The master bathroom has 2 sinks, 1 big mirror, shower space with big shower head, and toilet. And right here is where you can put your bed, closet, tables and chairs. And here's the door which is connected to the garden outside. This is the third bathroom right here. Also has separate shower room, toilet, sink, and mirror. Now, let me show you the second bedroom. Right here is the second bedroom, or you can turn it into another office room or study room as you wish. Right here is the door. You can open and really let the breeze in. You also have this sliding door, which is connected to the bathroom. Very convenient. And now, last bedroom. It is really spacious. Again, you have this beautiful door to go outside to the garden. I love it. What do you think about this style? Please let me know in the comment below. And this is the living space outside right next to your garden. You can walk, you can add some chairs and tables where you can relax, have a glass of coffee. And you also have this fireplace right here. And right here's another empty space. You can decorate as you wish. Maybe board game place or anything. And this is the outdoor shower, really nice. You can come here after a lovely swim. Now, right here is the swimming pool. Wow, you have your own private pool right here. The water looks clean and fresh. You also have another bathroom, outdoor bathroom. When you need to go to the bathroom while your body is wet, it's right there. Anyways, we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions or if you'd like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below or give us a call. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, share our video, check out our Facebook, Line, and other playlists of houses and condos. I'll see you next time. Bye!